Try it this way. Come on. So when he comes in for a choke, he's probably not just going to stand there. There's probably going to be a push. So if he pushes, go with the momentum. The last minute, bring your elbow up, down. Collapse the grip, okay? Give him an elbow, right? Get the chin, trip, kick, stomp, you're free. Okay, so gets against the wall. Be careful of the impact. Brace yourself, right? Protect your head, right? Pretty simple from here. Raise your arm up. Use your weight, squat, not just your arm, okay? Break his grip with the elbow, okay? From here, you're in close. Give him a little bit of an elbow to the chin. Push the chin, down, kick, stomp, get out of it. So he gets his hands on you. Again, same thing, get your hands up to protect your face. Give him a knee or a kick to weaken him. This time, you're going to take your hand above his wrist, palm facing up. Right? You grab his other wrist, twist, break the grip with your elbow. Nice and strong. Use your whole body, use your hips. You're going to go back the other way, break his arm this way, over your shoulder. Sneak behind, pull up, break your shoulder again. Grab his head, his shirt, shoulder, collapse the knee. He goes down, kick, stomp, get out. When he gets his hands on you, he's got the momentum pushing. Why fight it, right? He's got the momentum, he's bigger, stronger, no way. So what you can do is you get one hand over his wrist, get your other hand over yours, lock it in tight, okay? At the last minute, twist, go down on one knee, right? Use his momentum, redirect it. He'll do a face plant, you add a kick, a stomp, get out. Thanks for watching, everybody. Check back soon for more self-defense videos and fitness videos you can do at home with no equipment. All to get you ready, safe, and fit. See you soon.